Here along Pensacola Beach, the winds have been so strong at times, it's almost been unbearable. High tides have been the story all morning, officials putting up red flags to warn people not to get in the water. Rain has not been an issue for most of the morning. A tropical storm warning is still in place for Pensacola, Pensacola Beach, and Perdido Bay, with high winds potentially reaching up to 30 miles per hour. I spoke with a few people who came out to see the effects of the storm for themselves.
We like seeing the ocean, but we know it's better to stay out of it when it's like this and stay safe, and it's something to see.
Well, you had one surfer down here, and I watched him. He got into the pier, and I don't know my distance, but I saw him catch 2 waves, but it's just kind of scary to watch.
Officials want you to remain cautious as you go about your day until the storm passes. Reporting from Pensacola Beach, Amanda DeVoe, WKRG News 5.